to properly package a film for professional delivery. Let's get started. Open your sequence, open the hamburger menu, start time, 00:59:00:00, hit OK. Now your sequence begins at the right time. Right-click, New Item, Bars and Tone. You'll want to change the amplitude to -20 dB. Hit OK. Double-click, bring it into your source window, put an in, add 3000, go back one frame, put an out, hit Overwrite. Now it's in your timeline. Now we're going to make the slate. Hit T. It'll bring up the title tool. So you can type over here, copy and paste the information you need, hit the wrench at the side, click Safe Margins. Try to keep your titles within these lines. Click on the arrow tool to position your title wherever you like. You can move it up or down, make it bigger or smaller, center it, etc. A setting I really like is this one. Go to Premiere Pro, Settings, Trim. Click Allow Selection tool to choose Roll and Ripple Trims without modifier key. Hit OK. This makes it easy to switch between ripple and roll. Simply adjust your cursor up or down and it changes between the two tools. This makes cutting really fast. Now you can easily pull the clip. In the timeline timecode, type in 1000. That will snap your playhead to 10 seconds. Adjust your cursor so the ripple roll tool is red. Click E. That will then snap the end of that clip to your playhead, making cutting super fast. Next thing we need, right-click Black Video. Hit OK. Double-click the black video to bring it to the source window. Click an in, hit plus 1200, which is 12 seconds, go back one frame, hit an O, hit Overwrite. Next we're going to add the countdown leader. Right-click, Universal Countdown Leader, hit OK. Cue blip on to, cue blip on out, OK. Drag it into the sequence. We're going to remove the first 3 seconds. So mark an in, plus 300, go back one frame, mark an out, and hit apostrophe to extract. I'm scrolling fast so you can see what it looks like. Next we're going to bring in the logo. Double-click, find the logo, hit import, double-click so it goes in the source window, mark an in, plus 500, go back one frame, mark an out, Overwrite. You can see the logo is not the right size. Let's change that. Right-click the logo, scale to frame size. Since it didn't completely fill the frame, hit Shift 5, that'll bring up the effects control. Go to Scale, and scale it up to the correct size so it fills the entire frame. Next, you're ready to add your film. You can do this in many ways. You can put the whole film in your source window and overwrite it into the timeline. You could drag the entire film into the timeline. Basically, get it in the timeline. Next, we're going to add a little dissolve between the logo and the film. Use your Ripple Roll tool, get it to the red roll on the cut. Right-click, Apply Default Transition, click on the dissolve in your timeline. In the window, type 20. Press OK, and you'll see the dissolve. Next, at the end of your film, we're going to add 2 seconds of black video. Double-click black video to put it in the source window, press in, add 200, press enter, go back one frame, put an out, overwrite it into your timeline. We're going to add another little dissolve between the end of the film and the black video. Use the roll tool on the cut, right-click, apply default transition, click on the dissolve in your timeline, in the window, type 20, press OK, and now you have a little dissolve there. Next, we're going to add a 2-pop, which is bars and tone. So double-click bars and tone, put it in the source window, mark an in and an out, so you're only getting one frame. Overwrite it into the timeline. After the 2-pop, we add 1 second of black video. Double-click black video, add an in, add 100, enter, go back one frame, press out, overwrite it into the timeline. The final thing we're going to add is burnt-in timecode. Right-click, New Item, Adjustment Layer. Hit OK. Drag it into the timeline on your top video track. Drag it the entire length of your sequence. Go to your effects panel, type in timecode. Click metadata and timecode burn-in. Drag it onto your adjustment layer in your timeline. Hit Shift 5. This will open the effects control. In the metadata and timecode burn-in section, change it to sequence timecode. In your program panel, grab the target and drag it to the top left-hand corner. Make sure it's within the safe margins. Congratulations! You've now completed everything on the film delivery checklist. Please continue to watch if you'd like to see the finished product. Happy cutting!